Hello YouTube, I'm the Foam Witch, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take your Green Ranger shield from looking like this to looking like this. So, let's do this. The first thing I needed to do was make a new Green Ranger shield. This video is not going to teach you how to make it because I already have that video on my YouTube channel. It's actually the first video I ever released. But in that video it only showed the making of the foam shield, it didn't show how I finished it, and since I released it I've had so many requests asking for a part 2 showing how I paint the shields. So 4 years later, here we are. If you want to go and watch that video before watching this one because you need to make a Green Ranger shield for yourself, I will put the link in the description of this video. While I've got a few seconds, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you could subscribe now, that would be awesome. Thank you! Once the build of the shield was complete, out of 10mm foam from the incredible Tigers supplies, along with making the armbands again out of 10mm foam, it was ready to seal before painting. To seal the foam before the paint, I used my favourite sealer, which is black flexi paint again from Tigers supplies. This first got brushed on by hand, and I think I did 3 brushed on layers, and then I sprayed 2 layers through my airbrush to make the shield super smooth. This is how it looked once the flexi paint on the shield had fully dried. I then followed the exact same process for the armbands. And this was once they were dry. It was then time to start painting, and the gold that I used for this shield was Vallejo airbrush paints in the shade of polished gold. The airbrush that I have is only a small one, so to paint this large shield it did take quite a long time, but it did avoid any brush strokes, so that worked for me. Also, the Vallejo polished gold paint only comes in little bottles, so I think in the end I used about 5 or 6 bottles of it. Eventually I would like to learn how to fabric wrap these shields. I did try it once before, it didn't turn out very well, so it's something that I definitely need to try again, but for now, painting them works well. The armbands then got painted in the same way. And this was the armbands once they had fully dried. The only thing left to do was paint the lower diamond shape and the symbols on the front of the shield in black. This was just done with black acrylic paint and a very thin paintbrush. And once everything had fully dried, the painting of the Green Ranger shield was complete. This shield was finished as a commission piece, so it then got sent to its new home. So there we are, 4 years later, and I finally showed you how I finished the Green Ranger shields. If you are still watching this video, I want to give you a massive huge thank you. If you've enjoyed it, if you could hit thumbs up, that would be great. And if you like crafting content like this and you aren't already subscribed to my channel, if you could subscribe now, that would be incredible. I'm hoping that 2026 will be the year I hit 10,000 subscribers. Huge thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.